hotter, hotter, hotter. What them a go do ya now? No link on the attack now. Hotter. Bring a old trendsetter. No link. Hotter.
Blessings, my people. Big up in yourself, man. Yeah, man, don't know what the thing go. They are my people, and boy, me I tell you, yo, for really sad thing for talk about now, people. Nobody not dead. No, so nobody not dead. But right now, people, it's a thing what happen where I see on social media and Facebook right now, where a mother has posted, and it's a mother who is a Jamaican who live overseas people, but her daughter is in Jamaica, right? And her daughter is a student of the Charlemont High School in St. Catherine. And this lady has posted some pictures alongside with about 2-3 videos. Yeah, 2-3, I don't remember, quite sure. You understand? And people, may I be honest too now. This video, yo, may I tell you why it's sad, people. Because she write a thing to caption people, and what she's saying, people. Her daughter was attacked by a man. You know what I mean? And these both man, you know what I mean? Them are a student at the Charlemont High School. They are outsiders who attack our daughter outside the gate, people. And these boy beat the girl. Them use stick and liquor. Them use iron and liquor. You know what I mean? They use stone and liquor and beat her like, you know what I mean? Deal with her so bad. You get me, people? In the end, she was in a coma. She blacked out. For 3 days, she was at the hospital. They have to do a brain scan. They have to do x-ray upon her head. And all person can them beat her in her head, people. See? She's out the hospital. Now, she's scared of going on even the road. Scared of going back to the school because of these boy. And all what the mother is saying is jealousy cause it. Not sure what type of jealousy, but that's what she's saying is jealousy cause them for this too. Or that. Whatever the circumstances may be behind this, my people, right? No matter if a jealousy or whatever kind of jealousy, it give no boy, no man, no big tone thinking tone boy or nobody the right to put them on pan the woman pitney. You get what me I say? It give them no right. Remember me telling that in a people. Zin? So this boy now do this, and the lady is saying them on the road right now. You get me? Them on the road in the street. See them here. Them is nothing lock up. Police now look for them. Now nothing. These criminal, these wicked boy who almost kill the woman daughter. And there's a pic, people, right? I gonna show the pic. And this is where somebody has posted with one of the pic them are right. You know what I mean? It's dead. Them things say she dead. 2 of them do her. And these boy now, they are road. And if you know what I mean? The police should be searching and hunting and taking questions from this little girl, which they are not doing in St. Catherine where the Charlemont, you know what I mean? And uno of these boys on the road after them do that to the woman pitney. Eh? Honestly, what Jamaica got? That's why so much foolishness in the place, you know. That's why so much corruption in the place and disruption and consumption, you know. You know what I mean? Because this lady, she feel it. It's her daughter, a nice daughter. As Mr. People, the jealousy, I don't know what type of jealousy. It can be where, I mean, I want to say certain things because I don't know what, I'm in a business about that. It give them boy, you know, right? We put them, but they look, that girl is just in her teens. Is that high school student? She's not in the last farm, like 5th farm or 6th farm. You know what I mean? Not sure which grade she is, but she's young. And look what them do to the woman picnic. Yo, me I telling you, you know. And uno boy, them say them still there in the place, in the community. Because people see them, people know. See? Them say the police, them now do not like them, decide to go lock them up or nothing. You know what I mean? After them do that, and there's video there. There's, yo, people, me I tell you this. That's why sometime in Jamaica, some things are happening. When I hear about them jungle justice, something the people. When I hear about them mob, something the people. But in the end, people, just imagine. Them boy, you do that to your daughter, almost kill her, mash up her brain. You don't know if in the future it can affect her brain. You don't know. You understand? Put her in a coma. You get me? I say 3 days she was in the hospital of the brain scan and hold it or something. Right now her daughter traumatized, scared of going back to school. You know what I mean? How much setback that? And these boy the pan road same way maybe I walk and I roll up spliff for them and a bun weed and some bad man and them a done and them a top man pan corner. While police up there so catch up and what them a do up there so. Zine? When them figure take them look or something and go fling them in the cell head here. Knock them head in the real. I ain't check for that. You understand? Some people say I'm cruel sometimes, but it's just the truth. There's no leniency or no, you know what I mean? Negligence when you come on to these cruel people, you know people. Me nah no sympathy upon them. Zin? Because I give them no right and them can't give me no excuse. Them get my attack wicked. Not joke. Zin? But in the end, all I'm saying is, police, you don't need to do no work. Oh no, need to get up off on the backside and go do no work. No joke thing. Go look for them boy who beat the woman daughter. Right? And that's the attack when you willing to go no. Hey, go do no work. Go do no work. Me nah go too deep in that. My viewers and my subscribers, me they here. And any more update I get, I will let you all know. I try to reach out to the mommy. I haven't get a response as yet. So any update me get, whether from mommy or anybody close to her, because I don't know any New Link thing big, you know. So once I will put any topic out there, people are going to see it and know anything. I saw New Link heavy, so we think big. We're not hype, we're not boss, but I'm just saying. So if you don't have any little story, any little thing on the face of the world need to know. If you don't know somebody who needs some help, seriously, you can message me on WhatsApp, see my number there under my video all the time. On the link me, and we contact the person, we find us say, true, we push you out there and try to seek help for them. That's how we do it. You understand? See the people, the same brother from, when I say me got watch what they work on the crook stick them. You have a family member look for you much years. And because of that video what we do, people, right now we make the connection back with the man and him. You know what I mean? So in the end, we tell us a New Link, we are good people. Zin, I respect everybody who support the New Link team. Everybody, when we are doing kids treat them, everybody will come together with we and do it. You understand? Me love you know, I respect you know. But in the end, we want a better Jamaica. And that New Link and the team say, better Jamaica, attack, peace, love you know, respect you know, big up.
What them a go do ya now? New Link and the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. New Link.